What's up, guys? The Martian wallet is going to give away some airdrop in no time, and to participate in this airdrop you need to qualify by having the Martian wallet NFT on your Martian wallet. So in today's video I'm going to show you how you can get this NFT for free. But before we move further, I want you to go over to our channel, scroll down and hit the subscribe button down below. Subscribe to our channel. On this channel we provide useful videos on cryptocurrencies, how-to videos, and everything you need to know about cryptocurrencies. We provide update for you to see. So if you want to get more of this video, please make sure to subscribe to our channel, like the videos you watch, and turn on the bell button to get notified when we drop new videos in the future. So let's go straight into the video. So first thing first, you need to have the Martian wallet on your Chrome extension browser to get the NFT. So I'm going to show you how you can get the NFT for free, but first of all, make sure to go to our channel, scroll down and watch the video on how to create the Martian wallet and connect the wallet to your Chrome extension. So let's go further on this video. So the first thing to do is to get the aptos testnet token on your wallet, because you need to pay a fee to get the NFT. So we're just going to do just that. So if you have created your wallet and connected it to your Chrome extension, the first thing you have to do is to click on the wallet. Okay, yeah, I already have some APT tokens on my wallet, but this is on testnet. It is not on mainnet. The network is not on mainnet. If I should click it, there's no token right here. Let's just wait for it to load. I think the network is kind of bad, but there's nothing here. But when I click on the testnet, there's going to be an APT token. So we're going to use the testnet token to pay for the gas fee to get the NFT. So to get the APT token, since you just created one and connected it to your browser, we are going to go over to this website, the Aptos Lab, to get the faucet token. So the first thing to do is to come to this place, get testnet APT, and then sign in with your account. Create an account with them. So I'm just going to sign in with Google. Okay, I'm gonna do just that. So let's just hold on. Okay, I'm gonna sign in with my Google account first of all. So make sure you follow this video step by step. So after signing into my account, the next thing is to connect my wallet. Now before connecting your wallet, make sure the network is set to testnet. Make sure it is not on mainnet. Make sure it is on testnet. Good. So after putting in the network on testnet, click on this connect button and then select your wallet, which is the Martian wallet, and then click on approve. So let's just hold on a bit. Good. After connecting the wallet, the next thing is to get the faucet fund to our wallet. So click on this activate faucet. It's very simple, straightforward and easy. Let's just hold on a minute. Okay, it says testnet APT token have been minted and are now available in your wallet. As simple as that. So if I should go straight to my wallet, and okay, let's see, the network is kind of bad. Good. So I was having 19 testnet token, but they've given me extra 10, so it's now 29. So you can go to the you can go over to mint the NFT now in order to qualify for the airdrop. So to mint the NFT, click on the part where the NFTs are minted. Okay, right here I already minted one, so right now I'm gonna mint another one. Okay, so after coming to this page, click on this right up here, mint Martian NFT. Now make sure it's still on testnet. Click on the mint Martian NFT button and wait for it to load. Let's just hold on a bit. So don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like this video, share the video, and turn on the bell button to get notified when we drop new videos like this. So let's hold on a bit. It's gonna take a while. The network is not so good. Okay, let me just run that through again. Okay. Okay, let me run that through one more time. Mint Martian NFT. Okay, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so here we are on the page. So what you want to do is to connect your Martian wallet. So click on connect, and then this is one of the NFT you'll be able to get in order to qualify for the airdrop. So click on the Meet Martian NFT here. Let's hold on a bit. Good. Okay, so yeah, here it is. So the estimated gas fee is 0.00769. If it is not even up to 1, so the next thing to do is to click on approve. Good. Fine. So okay, now click on approve again. Yeah, click on approve. So they've given us one of the NFT. Good. Successful. So if we go over to our wallet to check if they've given us the NFT, let's say click on this place, and then they've given us another of the NFT. So that's what you to claim this NFT. Leave it there so as to qualify for the airdrop. And that will be all for today's video, guys. If you love this video, please give it the like button. Comment down below that you love the video. If there's any video you want us to make, tell us on the bottom of this video. So that will be all for today's video, guys. Crypto Sage signing out.